In this video, we'll explore the Figma project mode of CodeMate AI's Build. Select Figma Project after connecting your Figma account. Switch over to your Figma tab. Here, look for your project you want to create. Choose the Copy Link option to grab the design URL. Head back to Build and paste the Figma URL you just copied. Click on Start Import. After that, select Start Building to move forward with the process. The platform will then present you with a project overview, complete with milestones. Take a moment to review the planned features. When you're ready, click the Start Building button to kick off the code generation. Now, keep an eye on the progress as Build goes to work creating the sitemap, data models, and React components. It's all about bringing the layout and styles to life based on your Figma design. Then, watch as it moves into the deployment phase. When everything is complete, you'll be able to view a live preview of your site within the interface. To see the final result, open it in a new browser tab.